Hi my lovely viewers, this is Hello IT World Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to download and install Graphical Network Simulator 3, that means GNS3 in Windows 11. So for this case we will go to the browsing site, any kinds of site. Here we will go the Mozilla Firefox, then write GNS3 downloads here. This is the official website gns3.com. Click here. We will download the Windows version 2 point something, as because our PC is Windows version 11 version. Download here. It is downloading. Here we can see clearly. See, the download has been completed, so click here. Do you want to do this? Yes, press next. I agree. Next. Then the destination folder, we will install another program. Click here OK. Now next, it has been installing. This option have to be ignored, so close these options. Next, we have to assign or click here yes, otherwise it will not complete it. So next, see, it has been completed. Finish. So here the GNS3 icon is here. Click the double sign. See, the GNS3 simulator or software has been okay. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.